Right. Okay. I'm dressed. We're about to head out now. I don't know if y'all can see my outfit. Got my boot. Let's go down here. I have a full length mirror down here. So it'll work better. We done had to push our reservation back. Cause CJ.
What's that?
That one.
This one?
Yep.
The blue one?
Yep. Alright, so this is my outfit. I have the jeans skirt. Well, I already told y'all what I was putting on. CJ picked out these shoes for me. So, that's what I'm wearing. Alright, let's go. Because, like I said, we had to push our whole reservation back. So, we out. CJ has my phone. Because on my Sabbath days, I leave it a lot.
The car cleaned up.
Anyone enough time?
I thought about it, but you know.
Say hey. Y'all say hey, CJ.
What's up? It's hot.
Yeah, it's a little toasty.
Go inside the car, that is.
8800 for more details. But why is it our most popular package?
Yeah.
First, you can listen anywhere.
I bought my demotion because I didn't read it yet, and I need to. Alright, y'all, we're en route to the restaurant. We're gonna be there with 2 minutes to spare. Do y'all be running late too, like all the time, or is it just us? We think that it's gonna be better when our children are like with their grandparents or something, or like not with us, but it doesn't get better.
Bottom line, we can't never be on time. And the thing is, we be planning like ahead of time, the day before, talking about we're gonna leave at such and
They
such.
packed today.
Like we had planned to get up at 6 this morning. To do everything.
No, really 8. Really 8. 6 was a joke.
Yeah, it was, but at least 8 as far as, you know what I'm saying, to work out in case we wanted to. Also, it would allow me to have time to go to Home Depot and stuff like that to get some things for the house, but I didn't get up and get out of bed until like 10:30 or 11. So.
And I had an alarm set for 8 o'clock, 8:30, 8:45. Yeah, I'm looking at these pumpkin patches. They're so cute. But I had many alarms set, and I still didn't get up.
And I heard all of them.
And I didn't even hear the last two. What's crazy, like I hear the first one, but like when I press snooze, I don't hear the other ones.
I hear all of them.
That's so weird. But anywho, CJ's changing the what is it called? The dryer duct.
I'm just cleaning out the vent.
He's cleaning out the dryer vent. When we first moved into our house, the guy was just telling us like there's a lot of house fires and stuff because people forget to clean the vents and stuff. So I just been thinking about it lately, and I reminded him to do it, so he's doing that this weekend. Do you guys ever clean yours out? Do you clean yours out? But yeah, we're going to this restaurant called Hard Shell. Story time really quick. So for our anniversary, CJ was trying to surprise me at our house with a anniversary dinner that my mom was cooking for us, but he took me to Roof Chris. And we had not been out to Roof Chris since like my birthday this year. We went for my birthday, and that was literally the last time we went out in general. Now, honestly, when he told me we were going to Roof Chris, I'm like, we always go to Roof Chris. That's what I was thinking. But I was so excited to go because we literally don't go anywhere, like ever, okay? Especially this year. So, we get there and CJ's like, oh, I forgot something at home. We gotta go back. And I'm like, well, I have my wallet right here, so what are we going back for? And did I bring my wallet?
Yeah.
I left my wallet at home. Awkward. We were supposed to be going out all day and I left my wallet at home. But when you married, you have a joint account. Anyway, so we got there and he was like, no, I really need to go back home. Like, what you about to do? Propose to me again or something? Like, I'm like, what you gotta go home for? Like, whatever it is, gonna have to wait. I was so hungry, right? So he like gets in the car. Of course, like I'm not gonna let him leave me And so I get in the car and I'm so mad, like I was about to cry. I'm like, yo, I just want to eat. Okay. And so we drove back home, and when we got home, my mom had planned like a dinner for us. It was super nice. The kids were like dressed up, they had on suits and stuff, and they served us. But when we went there that day, we saw another restaurant called Hard Shell that we wanted to try out. So we're going there today. So story time over. Babe, what were you thinking in the car as I was driving home? I mean, as you were driving me home. Did you think I was gonna be mad? He was so weak. He was weak at me. I was going in on him, yeah. Babe, we're not going in.
He was tripping, so I was weak.
Yeah, CJ's so like mellow, nonchalant, but we be cracking up laughing. We was laughing, but I was like laughing and on the verge of tears, like no lie. But I'll show you guys when we get to the restaurant. You already looked at the menu, didn't you?
A while ago. Remember when we when I treated you?
Yeah.
I might be get something to take home too. We did one spot. I ain't lying. I think that's some good stuff.
I still got my mask on. Do y'all ever sit outside at restaurants? I'm about to move outside right now because the conversations inside of this restaurant is like, but it's brunch. Okay, y'all, this is our food. This is CJ's. He's wanting to ask for some more powdered sugar right now. And this is mine. I got the crab omelet and some home fries and fruit. Alright, y'all, we're about to go-karting now. We just left the restaurant and we took some cute, super cute pictures while we were there. So we're gonna go ahead and go-karting. We found this place while we were celebrating Camden's birthday. We took the kids to like a jump place and it was literally right beside it. And I was like, oh, what's that? It's a go-kart place. And Taylor was like, I wanna go, but I think she's too small to do it anyway. We'll see when we get there, but we're excited. We've never done indoor. Have we ever went go-karting before at all? I don't think so. So I'm excited. I fit all this hair in this. Go ahead and play your game, babe. While I figure out how I'm gonna fit this hair in here.
Red player, shoot! Sweet shot. Red player, shoot!
I ain't want nothing for that.
Made that. Made that.
Oh, you gotta connect 4 balls, man.
Duh.
Man, come on. We can go against each other then.
Alright, let's go. So put this in your pocket.
Sweet shot. Yellow player, shoot! Red player, shoot! Yellow player, nice shot! Red player, shoot! Yellow player, shoot! Red player, shoot! Yellow player, shoot! Woo! Red player, shoot!
No, babe!
Yellow player, shoot! Red player, shoot! You're on fire! Yellow player, shoot! And red player, shoot!
No! He won!
Good game, Red. You win!
Yep. Hey, why you stop me from winning?
That's the whole.
Why did he stop me from winning?
Shoot and score with Connect 4 hoops!
Let's go wash our
4 in a
hands.
row! You're on fire!
Babe, let's go wash our hands.
And dominate!
Oh, you shooting the rice? And I didn't make it.
4 in a row right there.
on because he don't got no hair. Me on the other end. I have to hit it all around it. I won. I'm in first place. This yours or mine? Y'all see that? TZF baby. Please say the baby.
You know you don't even know how you got first.
I don't know how I got first, like but I did.
That was fun though, man.
It was alright. That wheel was hard to turn. Alright, hold on right quick. Let me be born real quick. I'm gonna be born. Okay. This might just be the style for the rest of the day because
shit, what's your rank though?
that was funny.
Out of everybody.
I definitely didn't expect to be first.
That's crazy. You ranked 23,000 and I'm ranked 36,000.
Out of everybody.
Look at that. You got 81%. I got 71.
81% what? Y'all.
Out of 126.
We could do anything, okay, ladies? I just beat this dude. Just beat him.
You need to be honest to the people.
Honest about what, babe?
You need to be honest.
Babe, why are you mad that I beat you at something?
Like, I ain't mad, but you need to be honest though.
Let's just be honest. Whew.
Like, for real.
Hold on, let me scoot back. Y'all, he can't believe I beat him just now. Watch out, babe. What's wrong?
Where the keys at?
Where the keys at? You had them. You had to unlock your car. Right, they right here, babe. You trying to make somebody money? How did never use the gas and brake at the same time? Keep those tires on the ground when you slide, you lose momentum. I was hitting the crap out of them little barriers at first. Cause I ain't know how to turn. The wheel's so hard to turn. This is a style for the rest of the day. Cause I don't feel like, and this about to be up too. I just don't feel like it. I just don't feel like it.
You gotta run me my fade back.
Babe, you mad?
Nah, I ain't mad.
Give me my kiss. Give the winner a kiss, babe. Thank you.
You need to run my fade back.
Give me another kiss. Give me another kiss.
Nah, we better go back in there.
Give me another kiss.
It was hot.
I won. A minute, y'all. My name for the race was TZF Baby. His name was Ghost. I'm so weak. I'm looking for his name. It just also Ghost.
I was out.
No, he trying to be Ghost from the show. They couldn't see me. From the TV show. Alright, y'all, quick stop at Lazy Daisy. I love this store. They have super cute furniture. I beat you, boy.
It don't matter. You win, I win, so it don't matter.
Okay, there you go.
I'm not talking about like before somebody tells me. Before
no crappy attitudes. Back, look at this table. Well, no, it doesn't give me the same vibe. It's not the same. So I guess they all have like these separate rooms like this. I guess they're trying to do that, I guess. Okay, yeah. It's $15, not bad. Y'all, I like this for our bathroom. But if I get this, this would start a whole project. I would have to paint and everything in there. Right? Isn't this cute, y'all? This is the thing about Lazy Daisy. If I don't get this now, I'll never find it again. bought a new wallet. He's so pressed.
I still got the stuff. I got your ring.
I don't even know if I can finish this before I even start. Yours look good, babe. I didn't know they were double cheeseburgers. Sheesh. Alright guys, we are back home and showered. And we're about to just relax for the rest of the night and go to sleep. Tomorrow we have to go pick up the kids from my parents' house. And then we're gonna be bringing my Nana back up here to spend a few days with us because she lives by herself, so I can only imagine how lonely that gets. So gonna call it a night here. We hope you enjoyed your day with us. We definitely enjoyed ourselves. We had so much fun together.
Yeah, we did. Felt good to get out, you know, and to be able to just up and go with our kids.
Yeah, one thing I did think though, just downstairs, we're gonna have to go back or get back into going to church now that we're like kind of tiptoeing back outside slowly but surely. I think we should make an effort to go to church instead of still watching it online. But that's a whole nother conversation. So we will talk to y'all later. Y'all have a wonderful rest of your day or night whenever this is posted.
Tomorrow.